Hi, Shring is here, the movie Redmi game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 630 by the name of course schedule 3. Okay, so we are solving this question by the way, and this is a hard one question which we are solving in today's video. And this question is totally based on 4 topics. First topic name is array, second greedy, third sorting, and fourth heap means priority queue. And to the 3,12,000 people have submitted it, and only 1,27,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 40%. So yeah, in today's video we are solving this question in Python 3. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And we are very near to 5,000 subscribers. Only 500 subscribers has been left to do 5,000. So please do it as soon as possible. And now let's move onto the computer screen and let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start with today's video. Like I've told you in my introduction, in today's video we are solving a question number 630 by the name of course schedule 3. So let's start with today's video, and first of all we understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, then we will start to solve today's question. Now, there are n different online courses numbered from 1 to n. It has been given me an array courses where courses square bracket I equals to square bracket duration comma last day indicate that the ith course will be taken continuously for duration of days and must be finished before or on last day. Okay, please highlight this word continuously. You will start on the first day and you cannot take 2 or more courses simultaneously. We want it in the maximum number of courses that you can take. Now, it has given me example 1 in which he created one integer array by the name of courses in which he wrote in 100, 200, in the second square bracket 200, 300, 1300, in the third square bracket 1000, 1250, in the third square bracket 2000, sorry, fourth square bracket 2000 and 3200. And the output I am incoming 3. Why? Let me tell you. Because there are totally 4 courses, but you can take 3 courses at most. First, take the first course, it costs 100 days, so you will finish it on 100 day, and ready to take the next course on the 101st day. Second, take the third course, it course 1000 days, so you will finish it on the 11th day and ready to take the next course on the 1101 first day. Third, take the second course, it course 200 days, so you will finish it on the 1300 day. The fourth course cannot be taken now, since you will finish it on the 3300 day, which exceeds the closest date. Okay, so it is example 1 why it is giving me this type of output. Now let's see the second example. Here he wrote an integer array by the name of courses in which he wrote in 1, 2 and the output has been coming 1. And the third example, courses integer array in which he wrote in 3, 2 and 4, 3 and output has been coming 0. And they are the 2 constants it has been given you. Okay. Now let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. So because we have understand the question, what is the question is trying to say, all the things. So now let's start. And the hard one question which we are solving in this question is based on 4 topics: array, greedy, sorting and heap priority queue. And there are 2 hints it has been given you. If you want to view it, so view it. I am not viewing because I easily solve this question. Okay, because these type of LeetCode camp questions is like that, like you want to fit the question in your brain and then you will be solve it, so you will be solve it easily. Like schedule course comma courses list int and then int semicolon, then courses dot sort key equals to lambda semicolon c semicolon c and then 1 a comma cur equals to square bracket 0 for DOR equals to LD in courses and then enter press. Write heap q dot heap push a comma minus DOR CURR plus equals to DOR, and then if CURR greater than LDCURR plus equals to heap q dot heap pop, and then return, and then here you found the length of buffer a, means here I am found the length of buffer a. Okay, and now let's see the running code. We have written all the code. So now when I run this code, now the running code has been also be accepted. In the case when the expected output is 3 and mouse output has been coming 3. In the case the expected output is 1, mouse output has been coming 1. In the case the expected output is 0 and mouse output coming 0. Now last thing to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be accepted and I beat 84.66% people. And now let's paste this solution in the here. Okay, now let's post it. So now here you see in today's video we solve a question number 630 by the name of course schedule 3. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, and click on your profile and view my profile. Here you can see here's my profile, so view it. Okay, so now let's meet you next video and next very amazing video. And please come over to my channel, like you all the people know what is my channel name. My channel name is Rayyan, and you have completed 4.5k subscribers, so please complete 5,000. We are very near to it. And see all the videos of a LeetCode camp. Click on the playlist, click on the LeetCode camp playlist. Please see this playlist and bookmark it. You have completed total 148 views on this playlist, so please complete 500 views on this playlist. Then when you will be complete 500, then we will go to the 1000. Okay, so now let me do the next video amazing video like this, and please don't forget to bookmark it from here and access it. Okay, and click on the replay all, then all the solving video will become. Okay, so now let's meet you next video and next video amazing these type of amazing video like this. So now for today, goodbye.